Բարի երկուսիրել հավաջան, այսին խաղում ենք դլսը ֆուտբոլ նորից դուրս հասնեմ, այս իմ նոր ալիքն է անջիշտ նոր եմ բացել չմոռանաս լայքել, ֆոլով լինել ապագայում սպասում են շատ թույն ու սարսափելի խաղեր դե ինչ մտնենք արդեն խաղանք Ես ձեր համար խաղում եմ, դուք ֆոլով ու լայքում եք, գնաց ֆուտբոլը։ Ես պետք է գրենք, եսի ձև չի։ Մի քիչ կախում է, բայց դե։ Հետա։ Լայքում։ Offside.
No trouble there for the assistant to raise his flag. He was clearly offside. Well, that pass could have been better.
No way.
He goes for goal. The bar denies him. Slotted home.
This is a goal. Это сейчас запасинка по вратарю, если борцинер ему. Есть хпет. Спит как рынок, цевчи. Цевчи чукрынок. Гол. Bardzo gol szarmatny był taki kilometry chpet.
The keeper hits the goal kick long. Careless pass there. A strong tackle. Oh, he did really well there. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. Misplaced pass. Well timed then. Great defense out of the danger zone there. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping.
No problem, mate.
Here's Balde. He loves to run with the ball.
Bir de pişersen YouTube'da videomu ama şapat olur.
That pass could have been better. Dribbles with the ball. Lovely passing here. He's racing ahead with the ball. What a chance. He just couldn't keep it down. First half ends.
Все уже рекламация,
An expert tackle. Tackles are flying in at the moment. He's confident on the ball. A great move. He's been surely a goal is coming. That strike was off target.
Խաղի ժամանակին իշքան նամակա պետք է գա, չգիտեմ խի։
Here's his chance. He gets the goal.
Ուրիշի շլավն դեսի խզարը։
Let's take another look at that.
Ութային մկրոտ։
The manager's bringing on these subs to reinvigorate the team. Moreno running with pace. Good interception. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Moving down the flanks here. the ball. Passing the ball really well. That is outrageous.
Eli,
Is this a
давай.
goal?
Чела, восьмика, чел. Восьмика, давай. О, глухо, Джон.
This
Direkt
player
zero.
really is exceptional in the air. And there's no surprise there, the ball ended up firmly in the back of the net.
Das cool ist schon so.
This is Victor.
Nice.
He's in control.
Oh. Чеки. Вот тащи.
And this player's on
Гулом, рисин шлавный
goalkeeper
хуры, sorry,
didn't stand
бро.
a chance with that volley. What a strike.
Lass dich schon, Nike.
That's a goal he'll want to see again and
Moet
again.
geen
And a short
bassen,
strike
darling.
from this great player.
Microdo verdi. Hier
This
gewoon
player
kan
will
Martin
come on
microdo
and a
golem
new one
gewoon.
will take to the pitch. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. I wouldn't be surprised if he gets the player of the match award.
Çela be, si çerti, si çerti.
And it's
Siyaset
just not
vurmuyor.
there and it's wide. They're second best today, but can they rally and grab a consolation goal? Edwards with the ball, and they could be in trouble here. All that's left is a big
En yazık ki herkes gol
He
kapını
couldn't
güzel
keep that
çiğ
shot
sinir
down, but it's
yapıyor.
gone flying over.
Zaten kalkacağım, bana kanın zarı kalsın.
Booted forward by the keeper. He got that all wrong. He misjudged the pass.
Arkadaşlar, sakin King Zero.
Regains possession.
Why cool? I love Chastring.
Time for some fresh legs, maybe the
Demek
players are
ki
warming up.
döndüğünde. Allah.
The opposition are so glad to hear the
Դինջը
final whistle. They
որջան
were
այսօր
playing on
համար
the pitch today.
այսքաններ չենք մոռանում լայքել եւ ֆոլովել հետագայում սպասում
Yeah,
շատ
they've led by example today. That's
թույն
why
ու
he is the
սարսափելի
player of the
խաղերի
match.
վիդեոներ կհանդիպենք մյուս շաբաթ օրը Station բոլորին